It's going to be a long video. Hi everyone, my name is Ayushi. Welcome back to my channel. If you happen to be a law student, we might just relate after a point. But yeah, so a little about me. I did my law from a very beautiful university in Uttarakhand, to be precise, Dehradun. Apart from the fact that I was doing law, the other reason that I was in Dehradun made it even more beautiful. I was studying right in the lap of nature. Beautiful it was. So my course was for 5 years and it was a very beautiful journey. I sailed through it. Now there are a couple of things जो उस time पे I wish I knew about. 5 years or 3 years in a course is a very huge time. It is almost half a decade. It changes you as a person. So other day I was having a conversation with a friend and I told him that 5 years of law is equivalent to your class 7th to 12th, you being born to you turning 5. So it's a huge change in your life. You might agree with it or not, लेकिन इंसान टाइम के साथ साथ बहुत सारी चीजें सीखता है. A couple of things that I liked back then, I hate it right now. There are a couple of things that I realize I wish that I knew back then. So this video is going to be everything about things I wish I knew in my law school to be a part of the cultural society. 5 years into a course like law, आई थिंक अगर मैंने कल्चरल सोसाइटी पे थोड़ा सा ध्यान दिया होता तो शायद आई वुड हैव बीन अ गुड सिंगर बाय नाउ, और मे बी आई कुड हैव टर्न्ड आउट टू बी अ ग्रेट पेंटर. So always make sure that if you are into your law school and if you have a society like that, definitely get yourself invested. It's okay to not participate in every moot court competition. It took me a while to understand that law school is just not about moot courts. It is so much more than that. Moot courts are definitely a brilliant part of your law school, and you'll have kids and students around you who are participating into it maybe every 3 months or 6 months. But you don't have to follow the trend. Because initial years में when everybody is discovering something or the other about themselves, you see a bunch of students participating, you see a best friend participating. अब तुम्हें ऐसा लगता है कि यार ये कर रहे हैं, ये भी कर रहे हैं, तो why can't I do it? So let me just do it. It is okay as long as you're figuring things out. But make sure that you do not pursue something co-curricular merely for the reason that your friends are doing it. Please do not take your friendships way too seriously. I might offend a lot of people, but yes, this is a fact. I am not saying that you're not allowed to make friends. Networking is of course good. लेकिन हमेशा इस बात को ध्यान में रखना जरूरी है कि 5 साल का जो टाइम है, that is a huge time. People change. You come as kids, you leave as adults. 2 साल पहले आपका अप्रोच कुछ और होगा, 2 साल के बाद आपका अप्रोच कुछ और होगा. You might be friends with me at this point because you like this about me, but maybe 3 years later down the lane, I might be a different person and you might hate me. Always keep that door open where you walk away with peace, because you don't want to challenge your 5 years with unnecessary drama. It's okay to not have it all figured out. You might be in the first year of your law or in the final year of your law, and it's okay to be clueless if you want to get into JAG, or if you want to practice, or if you want to be a judge, or if you want to try with civil services. Whatever it is, you will have it sorted. You have just started. Go for quality internships. अगर तुम्हारा बेस्ट फ्रेंड हाईकोर्ट में इंटर्नशिप कर रहा है तो उसके पीछे मत भागो कि तुम्हें 15 दिन की छुट्टी मिल जाएगी. डू नॉट डू दैट. इफ यू वांट टू ट्राई आउट डिफरेंट एवेन्यूज, बट इस पीयर प्रेशर में आके कभी भी इंटर्नशिप मत करो, बिकॉज मोस्ट ऑफ अस वी टेंड टू मेक दिस मिस्टेक. दिस हैज टू बी द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट. ऑलवेज एंड ऑलवेज कीप योर सीवी अपडेटेड. आपको नहीं पता कि आपकी सीवी की जरूरत कहाँ हो जाएगी. यू डू अ कोर्स, अपडेट इट द सेम नाइट. यू आर पार्टिसिपेटिंग समवेयर, इवन इफ यू डिड नॉट विन, अपडेट इट देयर. कॉलेज खत्म होने के बाद यू माइट हैव टू सेग्रीगेट, बट कॉलेज के 5 साल या 3 साल एवरी पार्टिसिपेशन काउंट्स. इट इज एब्सोल्युटली ओके इफ यू आर स्कोरिंग 7 और 8 और 9 और 10 CGPA. जरूरी नहीं है कि हर बच्चा 10 या 9 CGPA के साथ ही पास हो. लेट मी बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट विथ यू हियर. व्हेन द फर्म्स आर रिक्रूटिंग, उनका बस एक स्टैंडर्ड होता है कि 8 हो या 8.5 हो, क्योंकि उसके बाद अल्टीमेटली योर लीगल एक्यूमेन इज टेस्टेड. उससे ज्यादा कुछ भी जरूरी नहीं है. मेक श्योर दैट योर सब्सटैंटिव एंड योर प्रोसीजरल पार्ट्स आर स्ट्रॉन्ग. मेक श्योर दैट योर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल लॉ इज स्ट्रॉन्ग. व्हाटएवर यू आर स्टडीइंग, व्हाटएवर यू आर टेकिंग, मेक श्योर दैट इट स्टिक्स योर. दिमाग में रहना जरूरी है, उसका कांस्टेंट ब्रश अप होना जरूरी है. बाकी तुम नंबर 7 लाओ, 8 लाओ, 9 लाओ, 10 लाओ, ऑल ऑफ अस, ट्रस्ट मी, आर सेलिंग इन द सेम बोट. सो रिलैक्स. Well, that was it for the video, guys. Make sure that you enjoy your years in the law school because trust me, it's not going to come back. Also, if you like the video, make sure to like, comment, share with a fellow friend, and also leave a subscribe. Bye.